Hello and welcome to a tutorial specifically made for Iondas to show how to use OBS tools to separate audio streams. This technique can be used so that you don't have music jumps in your videos. So if you want to listen to your Minecraft music while playing in the background or have music added on top of your stream, you can, in the editing process, add your own music that doesn't jump around. It's same with the Minecraft client music. It'll jump around if you edit, but you can cut this out specific pieces of audio you want and use the Minecraft music in post edit so that it's not moving around. Anyways, let's get straight into it. First, I'm going to show you how to add individual audio sources. For this, I do not use desktop audio. I have Voicemeter personally installed on my machine, and this just redundant desktop audio anyways. But for this tutorial, you will not use desktop audio. You'll be adding each and every app that produces sound individually. So, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to go ahead and have you mute your desktop audio, and I want you to hide it, okay? Now you can always unhide all later if you really need to. This is my microphone, and so we're first gonna go to advanced audio properties, and desktop audio is gonna go to none. It's already muted, but we're just gonna put it to none. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna record we're gonna record the webcam mic on track 1 and 2, okay? Everything we add here is going to be recorded on track 1 and track 2. On track 1 and its own track, sorry. Okay? So, right now I'm actually watching an Iondas stream. So, if I wanted to add that, say, Firefox, let's add Iondas stream, okay? Let's and then window right here. Let's add that and match title. Otherwise, find windows.
This is not a lot of granite. I am disappointed in this amount of granite.
Okay.
Not even we're gonna click OK. Stacks. That is saddening.
And now you can hear.
Where did my horse go?
Now let's make that quiet so that But yeah, Iondas, you're watching this. You know exactly where you are in stream just off the audio here. But I'm gonna go ahead and mute that. We're going to go to Advanced Audio Properties, and we're going to put it in tracks 1 and 3. This is because this is track 3. We're going to use it as an example. Actually, put it in track 4. Track 4 is where you're going to keep your music that's only going to stream, okay? And then what we're going to do here is application. Let's add Cookie Clicker here. So I do have Cookie Clicker going. We're gonna go ahead and add Cookie Clicker so that Cookie Clicker sounds come through. Okay, I'm gonna head over there. Oops. But yeah, you should be able to hear Cookie Clicker sounds. There you go. So you heard Cookie Clicker sounds there as that was up, and we're gonna advance audio properties. This is the main game, so we'll go track 1 and track 3. And that way you always have 2 spare tracks for anything else you may want to add. When you're streaming, you want to record everything on track 1. Track 2, where you record, is track 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are where you record. In track 2, you're going to have your microphone. Track 3, you're going to have all of your sound that you actually want to record. And in track 4, you're going to have all of the stuff that you may not want to record, but you still want to have in the recording anyways. You can just mute it out if you want to. It's always, you can always mess up and put something on the wrong track. This allows you to choose whether you mute it out or not. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial, guys. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Which probably won't be a tutorial. I'm not going to main these. I just did this because I wanted to teach Iondas and anyone else who may need this. All right? Y'all stay safe, stay alive, Have great lives. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video or stream. Goodbye!